Alright, this is another episode. How to do oil change for your car. Or better known as service your car. You know, air filter, and oil. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to do an oil change, and the G37 is for the same thing as G25, G35, and majority of car in the world. Like the same procedure to do the oil change. It's just that some oil filter might be different and air filter depends on how your car stay and set up. Alright, but it's definitely the same. Alright, so the tools you're gonna need is basically the only tool realistically. As I say, it varies the car. And my car I don't need no tool to take up my air filter and put down. You can just easy that clip to get to the air filters. Okay, this is my air filter. Alright, easy like that. And some cars you need tools, probably a 10mm, probably a 12mm. Right? And also to pull the drain, my one use a 14mm socket. Right? Some cars may need 19, some maybe 17. It all depends. Right? So you need to find that out first, they can start. Also, you need oil filter. Right? So this is mandatory when you change your oil in your car or service it. Right? This is just the basics. Different from spark plug and coil packs. We're just doing oil change and air filter. Right? And the oil. Alright, so many people are ask which oil I use. This is it. This is the AMSOIL, 100% synthetic, and you realize the grade 10W to 40. So it's more better for the hotter climate. Right? And this have the zinc. E46 recommend that the zinc is better. Yeah, I just learned something. You learn every day. Big up yourself, E46. You know, high zinc formula we're gonna use. All right, that's what my friend Mark having in B58. So yeah, and it's running good. All right, so we'll get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is, alright, what I like to do basically is the car was cold, so I started to warm it up. So you know, when the oil is cold compared to hot, you know what flow better, right? Because it's hot, you know, say get thin and stuff, so you can easily flow the stuff them. So normally I want the car to operating temperature, and I'm gonna drain it right now. So as I say, this is a 40. Alright guys, so we're under the car right now. Hey, well, look at that. That's my brand new alternator. Yeah, I changed that one here. I'm gonna change my power steering pump. Anyways, alright, so here it is. This is the oil filter, guys. So you may need a tool, because sometimes this gets so damn tight you can't pull it with the hand. So you have a special tool you can use to pull this. But unfortunately, I got mine to crack, so yeah. Anyways, so you're gonna need a bucket. Yup, you're gonna need that because you know you're gonna be a lot of oil. So you just use the whatever millimeter socket you have and crack. Mine is already cracked, so you can just pull this. It's gonna pour up a lot of oil, so you can catch this right. So always have your gloves, folks. Always. Wow, would you look at that? Look at that. Yeah, I haven't had an oil change in about 4 months. So take a grade oil in. Okay, so now I can just loosen this up. I'll just wait a little bit till this fully drain. There we go, it's getting thinner and thinner and thinner. It's almost done. There we go. See coffee. Once you coffee, you see a little gap, you know, say to get close to empty. Nice. Then I can just release this. I can just release that filter. There we go. It's just warm, it's not hot to burn me or anything, but I don't recommend doing this if your car has been started for the whole day or you've been driving. Yeah, that's dangerous. That shit will cook you. Understand? Alright. So I'm gonna let this drain out as much as possible, so quit this video then start back. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of leave the drain out as much as possible. So the filters on G37 or G35, all you do is just click this up and draw out. And you just like that, see? Simple. Dirty, that's how you just change it. You just put in a new one and you just slide it back in again. That's how easy it is to change your air filter. Now, with this now, oil filter. Before you install it back, you have to put a little oil in it and thing. Because the engine normally circulate and push oil like that, but if oil in there already, it's better that way, you see me? Yeah man, just like that. So rub some around the seal and all and thing there. Yeah, man, just like that. And then we'll go back on the car, go install the oil filter now. Same way as how we uninstalled it. Yeah man. See it sideways, so you know, so I get a little bit out of it, but easy one too. See that? Simple thing. Excuse the truck noise there. Can just hand tight it. But these gloves, they're not really that slippery, I realize, and grip things a bit better. So now, I'll done drain. We can lock that back. You usually need the torque specs for everything on these cars. They're normally in the manual, but I don't know, we as Jamaica now, we have certain tool and we want to get things done. We just tighten bum buckle out, right? Excuse my language. Aye. Yeah, you see what I'm going? So I'm going to tighten this. Alright, yeah. Tighten this more. Yeah. Just like that. Alright? So we have a whole oil filter here now. Right there, and bucket. Yeah man, look on the aisle with it in the car. See how I go on? Phone dropping at that right now, my ball. Watch it man. Oh god. So now we can drop the car. Guys, so normally we use a funnel. Okay. Normally use a funnel. But you know, you don't have a funnel. Just take your time and flow. You understand? Yeah man, just take your time and do that. Might spill a little tiny bit, but just take your time. I recommend the correct way, just use a funnel. Every little bit may drain out tight. You know them are there? Drain out every little bit out tight. Squeeze all the buckle too. Yeah man. Not nice here. Yeah man. The big one now, no. Be careful with this. I say you might get a little spill, but you know, it's too big and serious. Use a cloth and just wipe up a little spill the way you do. Good. Yep. And that's basically it. I normally do as a G37 owner, we normally buy one of them and put it down as a little top up, you know, because you don't know. You know how the things stay. So now we check the aisle. So we need to know if we need top up or not. Right? So good them gloves guys. And look, we're at high. So we got all the aisle in it right now. So yeah man, how we that? Nice. Nice and smooth.